Shirley Temple Bar, fáilte is fithe ród isteach, go dtí mar tá, bhí go mai.
Go mágad?
A bhfuil go mai.
Yeah, tá sé an áitiúil inis like leis an coronavirus agus like ag obair Draig on the internet. It's very, very strange.
I know, but well in céad rud bhaid am sa rá go bhfuil tú ag ggurc go háling, tá tú ggurc go háling.
You have to say that. Yes, it's true. Yeah. Colleen Jass.
Goni. Listen, Shirley, right, there's so much I want to say to you and talk to you about, but to me, Gary, toss like into us if I can. In céad rod, okay, nílistig mar an daoine mihín sin go bhfuil Gaeilge líofa agatsa. So it is some faoi dá hathí leis an teanga.
Right, well, tá líofa beidir go bhfuil é an size stretch ach, tá simór ag san teanga a ní credim go bhfuil sé iontach ach nuair bhíon chance chun é a úsáid, buinm trílas, cúpla bliain ó hin, fiche bliain ó hin, bhí míad ag caint níos mó Gaeilge in our group ach inis is brawn mór ormach tá sé imúgna cáilte gom now, so inis time struggling,
Yeah, but okay, but ag túis an scéal, so to me géirí eile mac rastal tú Gaeilge scoil nó just óm tú de chud Gaeilge scoil?
Yeah, scoil ach cud mé ó amháin go choláiste na mún in Ballyferritor i County Corcaigh ach bhí mé like an óige like an 11 díos, so ach instillin sé sim mór agam san teanga is okay. Agus, is málumm na teangaí go léir, tá tiismothirí an beirt tá siad Bauer, agus mar sin tá ISL an tríor official language den stát an seo agam, agus mar sin nuair bhí mé bhí mé is sort of size chuck bilingual, so an trilingual an tá sim mór agam san gach teanga. Ceapam go bhfuil má dar teanga agat bíon size activities in intin agat chun translation agus ag smaoinmh cad atá á rá agat agus ag luaigh an focail ceart chun an notion rather than direct translation a dhéanamh agus agus mar bhíon má tiismothirí Bauer Tom, I suppose, sympathetic to like the language translations and agus rud mar sin.
I mean, I know go gurn tú hain cos war showing a BR show and St George is dausa agus rilla. Hannig tú trastin, I'm sure gur hannig tú trastin. Céir captain tú faoi leithid choláiste lurgan?
Yeah, well, I mean, nuair bhín, well, it's málumm gach sort sort of expression agus nor bhín daoine ag dhéanamh like kind of cool agus interesting things, that catches my eye. Yeah, I mean, I think it's tábhachtach simúl class, yeah.
And just ag Lord faoin dausa agus faoin cáis lurgan agus tú hain mar choreography. I know go ngeanann tú hain go minic a le river dance a chur státe agus was a got Emer Quinn the voice agus a lehéid sin. So after will an culture tábhachta fásta, so ten teanga agus sé an seo, you got language here, but combine sin tá an culture on agus is léir go bhfuil taithí agus sé leis an culture.
Yeah. I mean, like tá an culture timpeall gach duine inis, it's I suppose it's málumm like the cultúr tradiisiúnta, imríonn an fake Banríon an státe mar drag queen agus bíon nig daoine san lucht éicne ag eáil agus is that bitch really doing that? Because, well, no, I'm not. Everything I do is fake. But yeah, it's málumm an cultúr tradiisiúnta. Agus, I suppose, tá rince agus ceol agus an teanga, tá siad go léir there. It's me. It's my identity, freshen,
And will to a nun and Fadog Stan a hinnim, Fiowain?
No, that's clear fake. It's
Stop.
fake. Yeah. When the girls are lip syncing, that's not their real voices either.
What?
Yes, I know.
My word has just exploded.
Boom.
The skill in it, Astruct then Scott. Okay, Shirley, listen, back in time, Shirley Temple Bar. Tell me about Shirley Temple Bar.
Yeah, well, rinne me on character Shirley Temple Bar done Comórtas alternative Miss Ireland. Bhí sé Comórtas a bhí gach bhliain chun airgid áil for AIDS agus HIV charities. Bhí sé kind of size RuPaul's Drag Race meets Rose of Tralee kind of vibe. Agus, yeah, gach mé part ann. Ní raibh clú agam faoin Comórtas churbe. Bhí é an mo chéad ó I drag freisin ach bhuaigh mé an Comórtas agus iní sin thug an George an chance agam chun an bingo show a dhéanamh timpeall an Pride sa bhliain céine agus, you know, time fós an sin. Fihid 3 bhliain later, well, not fós, gur maithagad coronavirus. But that's it. Will be, they means a rash a rish is tóca.
But like, nuair urcan tú an clean scene in ish, I mean, ta lehead Davina Divine on Victoria's Secret agus Aidan a leg. Nuair hosti tosa, Nero Marin on actu hain, you know, vi could on, but
yeah, Misha agus Panty Bliss, agus Mr. Pussy, agus bhí like, you know, gach generation. Yeah,
you know,
okay. Rinne siad the quids Banríon, you know, drag, and I Bather is é an rud ná nuair tosig mé mo cuid show bhí an gay scene ag oscailt. It was beginning to oscail done, you know, to society on a wider level. Rinne mé clár fásnéise don TG Carr agus RTE agus bhí mé ar an telefís ag doing my stupid stuff. Agus mar sin beidir go bhfuil anam orm agus mar sin, you know, chonig an telly bingo gig freisin agus tosig mé ag present telly bingo fa tamal freisin agus mar sin beidir go bhfuil gach duine in Éirinn ag streaming of go bhfuil an céad an only drag queen in Ireland. That's not the truth. Exactly.
Nuair luú tú in sin tú hain faoi telly bingo was RTE agus bhfuile bhí sé cinlín réamhlóideach ag an am mar nuair bhí tú hain on. So and I suppose and Roche Goni Jarfitich, was it always a positive experience being a drag queen in Dublin, or because I know now to Roddy different Roddy needs farnish because Cha Roddy Inish na Maradi. Was there a time when it was, did you find it difficult at the beginning?
I suppose, like what I was saying earlier on, there was a time when the gay scene, the LGBT scene, was locked away in a private space, and the world at large was somewhere else. And so therefore the two things were very separate. Part of what I suppose is my story is that I was very much part of bridging the two of those worlds together, bringing the kind of LGBT culture out into the mainstream, but also in my show in the George, bringing the mainstream as audience into the George and into the gay spaces. And that flow is important, and that flow is was very much part of developing a kind of a more trusting and a more, you know, oh yeah, okay, we get you, you're just people just like us. And then obviously my telly bingo gig as well was another way of bridging another kind of a gap to a different audience. All the time, yes, I didn't know what I was doing, but it didn't mean that it was easy. It didn't mean that you didn't get, you know, the usual kind of trash. But, you know, time has moved with me and not them. So, hey, bitch, I'm the winner. Yay, you know?
I know,
That's
I know.
how you do. You gotta do your thing. You gotta fight for your rights.
Hey, preach. I mean, Kai was Raf Austin, Nero, Shirley, Agoni, and Shaw, August Riv, Shirley, V. Declan, Buckley, Egober, London. So,
Yeah.
an ro Shirley a gcónaí mar ringlóid dit, an ro Shirley a gcónaí le harú nó hannig sé an mahas an farige, like trí himpiiste.
Trí himpiiste gan áras, yeah. Himpiiste more. I mean, you know, I'm a crazy person. I'm a fun person, but like career mar drag queen, no, ní raibh sé sin na cartí. You know, mar a dúirt mé hanna féin bhí Panty Bliss, like egg. Well, I suppose she forced me to do drag. It's her fault. It's her fault. And that was 23 years ago. Okay, and like if you had told me back then that I would be doing this with you 23 years, I would say you're crazy. But clearly, I'm crazier than I thought.
Well, look, Shirley, tattoo dulwnyar kunyar, and I mean, mar bhí tú ag rá tá bhí telly bingo agus bhí show television agus tá show in St George agus tá méid sin rudaí deanta agus ag declan hana féin céir atá fáice le Janú céir atá ar an bhuclas céir a bheith Shirley Temple Bar ag tuairt faoi sa tauci.
Níl is agam, it's like size adventure atá agam, and agus freisin tá landini around me, like who are doing great stuff. I'm enjoying being part of what other people are doing as much as people have enjoyed. You know, sometimes it's time for a girl to grow old gracefully, but I'm not a real girl, so who knows?
What? Come here, Gaeilge. Conas mar bhí chuirsaí COVID ditse a chuir siad is Jack Moore art. I mean, obviously being tosa ag me an fphobal mar, you know, performer is a réile, so you know tú on the show na a Janú. Tá sé tugadh faoi deara agam sa go bhfuil tú Janú go bhór stuff ar líne, so hatan sé leat ar chuir sé is Jack?
No, tá sé grim agus ufásach agus horrible, and technology is not my friend. You know, yeah, it's performer me agus is málam bheith, you know, lenadini agus, you know, gan age tá an bóz imethe agus mar sin, like,
okay.
No, I don't know why I'm doing it then, you know. I thought every elegum con arrogance or like, you know, this is a fun job. It's about people. It's about bringing people together. The coronavirus is the opposite. It's about separating people. So, you know, drag is like an antibody, and we need to get more drag into the community and less coronavirus. I suppose after the coronavirus is kind of, you know, it'll be interesting to see how the LGBT spaces, in fact, all social spaces, how that manages to work. I suppose inis táimid galéir ag iri rud difriúil agus rud mar sin online, you know, shows agus a riile. It doesn't always work for various reasons. It doesn't always work for us. It doesn't always work for the audience. So, but you know, ultimately we're artists and performers, so we're going to try and make stuff happen, but who knows?
Exactly. Well, look, mar Uncle Skur, Shirley, I mean, I have so much respect for you as a performer, as a person, what you've achieved and all you've done for many reasons, but not least of all our son the Cuaisle on behalf of the Irish language. And I know go to Burha ag chat and Sean, you know you were worried about, you know, in today because it's been a while, but I mean,
yeah,
to and Shaw to a cancel and beyond ish. The Gaeilge August, you've never lost it. You know, I know it takes time to get back into it, but even as I'm talking to you now, it's coming in and whatever.
Yes.
As a kind of parting word, for want of a better phrase, Cén Corley, so to Dini Oga and we Sean ish a Gurker Shogs, a Brathnir Shaw, August Bajer go will Sim Makus a Changa, Bajer go will Shid Exmin if we see Vaha, I want your Makas. You know, they're thinking about their future with the language. King, what advice Cén Corley a Horhis? Yeah,
I mean, on Cade Road, to spawn the quid sim sanchanga, that's the big one. Show your interest. You know, Feheblain, Fetriblain Ohin, to spawn May mo quid sim sanchanga, August Martian, Honig TV ag knock on my door, and August Martian talk career different agum. I think freshens and changa as well. Like caint you saw James Tav Nor orm August Tav Brown more orm knock will effort, on cadéan mugalir effort.
Ireacht.
Ireacht. You know, con like a usage is a more vibe. You know, beidir gohfuil níos mó duine like that who are ag fannacht on céad focail agus, you know, beidir gohfuil córá ann. Look for it. Look for the jazz.
Yeah, well, look, tugann sin mis nach domsa andwa coswarm sure we hin Shirley, they should gallant to catch that too much rich and mahas ama. What's the plan now for the day? Kind of based to Johnny and you?
I'm making a video for a show, and then I am going to try to fix my broken eyebrow, which is under here, and then makeup on Schmidde. It's on Schmidde. No, it's
better you than me. Better you than me.
Listen, Shirley, all the time.
The Cún of Jay, beit to Iraq, Éirinn Stache, Sir George, some good bacon at Ganwell, Beidh go made to Éirinn Television, Janu Gaeilge Mahan Shah Foster. Who knows?
Peter, who knows? Who knows? I better go and practice.
Watch the space that she gets it. But listen, we're mean as to Hutch Ama and look and Bun Salt. Good morning, Shirley.
Good morning, Slán.